Hello everyone, Abhishek Tripathi this side. Today I will discuss about top 5 books for entrepreneur or product managers, product designers, business persons or anyone who is working in a startup should read. So the first book is The Startup Owner's Manual by Steve Blank and Bob Village. So this is an excellent workbook for those who want to create a startup businesses. The authors focus on the problems of today's startup, clarifying upcoming questions and explain them using highly practice-oriented solution and approach. It also contains more than 40 helpful checklists for all project phases as well as special explanation for digital startups and face-offs. So basically you will get to know about all the things related to the startups and what are the situation people face while doing startup or working in a startup. So yeah, this is a must read book. The name is The Startup Owner's Manual. Comes the second book. So this book is very important for a person who is working in a startup as a founder or as an entrepreneur or any other designation basically in startups. So the book name is The Hard Thing About Hard Things by Ben Horowitz. So basically Ben Horowitz knows how to handle crisis. So basically he is sharing all the experiences of his startup as a founder, as a CEO, and also he tells like how fast a favorable wind can turn for a company. Okay, so with incredibly much effort he manages to save his own company from bankruptcy. So based on this experience, his tips are based on what counts in turbulent times, like what you should do in tough times, and he also explains how to carry out dismissals like in a fair manner, like if you have to do or take a hard step, how you have to do it, what is the right way to do it. Like let's say if you have to, let's say, fire someone from your startup because to manage your burn rate or anything or the cases you have to manage, you have to fire someone, how you should fire someone or how you should talk to the person you are firing. So his narratives is prepared and peppered with antidotes, like, and humorously he written the whole book. You will like it and you will love it and you will learn a lot. Let's talk about third. The name is 0 to 1. So you probably know, like have heard about 0 to 1. So this is very important book, and every founders, entrepreneurs or any person who is working in a startups who works to work in a unconventional ways should read this book. This book 0 to 1 is written by Peter Thiel, okay, with Black Masters. So this book talks about all the unconventional views founders and entrepreneurs have used in the past to win and to succeed with their startups. So you should probably know Peter Thiel as one of PayPal's co-founder and one of the first Facebook investors. His book is an undoubtedly favorite one of those founders who think very unconventionally and are daring and full of new ideas. He makes some worthy claims, for example, that monopolies are welcomed and are the basis of innovations. This is what this book says. So this is a basically guide book and it is aimed at founders who want to build a technology company. Talk about the fourth book that every entrepreneur and founder should read. The name is The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. So this book will tell you how to develop a startup with minimal resource cost in terms of maximum constraint and large number of potential challenges. If you are just starting your way in world of technological entrepreneurship and want innovation to be fully measurable, right? So be sure to read it. The approach mentioned here can be used not only in IT but also in other fields. So let's talk about the last and fifth book. The name is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. It's written by Stephen Conway. So if you want to run a business, you should be effective and productive, right? So well, with this book you will discover 32 principles and amazing principles that once you will follow, once you get them habitual in your life, it will help you to be very highly effective person. So definitely you should read this book and follow the principle they have suggested, the Stephen Conway suggested. So yeah, thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will like to read this book. I have given a link to buy these books or purchase these books in my description. So yeah, you can have these books from there. And please subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to this video and comment down your favorite book. And yeah, I will be making lot of videos related to startups, product UX, product designs and growth. And if you are interested in any of these topics, you can subscribe to this channel and it will help you a lot. Thank you so much.